Hey guys, welcome to product unboxing, and for today's video we're going to be unboxing this wireless charging pad, Xiaomi. I'm not sure if I pronounced that right, but here it goes. I recently bought this on sale, and I'm gonna be using this for my iPhone 11 that I recently did an unboxing on. So if you guys want to watch that, I'll just link it down below. So that's the specs, and I'm gonna open it up. It's quite simple and it doesn't look that fancy because this is quite affordable. So here it is, and I'm just gonna flip it. That's what it looks like, and I'm gonna search if there's like a cable. So it only comes with that and the manuals. So here's the manual if you don't know how to use it. And that's how you're meant to place the phone so you can charge it properly. And the cable is just here inside. That you can plug in here. So I just plug it in a Samsung charger. So I just plug it in a charger, and let's see if it works with my phone. It should work. There. So there it goes. Thanks for watching.